So I hope this was a good decision. I did something crazy and I bought a whole entire like gaming PC setup. Like I did it. I finally did it. I really wanted to play The Sims 2. And after some research, like I realized apparently that they don't even make like to play the discs of like The Sims 2. The computers aren't even made that way. So you'd either have to buy some like old outdated laptop or PC, or you'd have to, there's some way that you can download them for free online. Cause I had all the expansion packs but I joined all these Facebook groups trying to learn like what is the best way. How can you play The Sims 2? I need that nostalgia factor. I think it's gonna be a great escape. It's something fun that I can do instead of like scrolling social media, like play like an hour of that, like just to relax and stuff. And apparently you can play it, but you just have to download it a certain way. And then obviously, once I get like used to that again, I can get like The Sims 4, and apparently The Sims 5 is coming out. So, and when I do something, I don't just buy like the bare minimum. No. I went with the whole entire PC, not even a laptop, because that game is gonna overheat anything, and it always has. I wanted to get an MSI computer build, but basically they were out of stock of everything, so they're pre-builds that one of them looked pretty decent, but everything was out of stock, and I had to do it before the end of the year so I could do this as a write-off because I plan on becoming a streamer. So we'll see how that goes. I may have to start another YouTube channel for that, or I'll just put it on here. I don't know, we'll see. But I need to unbox everything now. Everything has come yesterday. I bought a custom built PC from CyberPower, so I kind of took the specs of the MSI PC that I wanted, and then I found those on there, and then I like upgraded it on CyberPower, so I went like all out. It was less than 2,000 though for it. I think it was like 17 something maybe with like tax and everything. And then my brother recommended this great monitor, an LG monitor that he has, which was like almost 400, I think. And then I have a keyboard, a mouse, and everything. So we're gonna unpack this and just see. So this is the PC. There's the monitor. And there is the mouse and the keyboard. I'm going to put it here because right now I don't have a desk, but there's outlets back there and I could just sit at the table for now because my desk in my bedroom obviously has my laptop and like that's kind of my home base. Like I can't put that there. I found a cute, I will link it down below, this like white, like L-shaped, small like L-shaped desk on Amazon for like 300, I think. If you have it, let me know because I might end up buying that because this might be just weird. Like I don't want the computer right there, but of course it's so dark and raining, so I'm hoping my lights will look okay. But I think I'm gonna unbox this and then pick up the camera again because I don't know what to expect. I'm honestly like stressed to even open it, so we'll just see how everything goes. But I will check in with you after I like open everything up. So I opened it up and I think there's another package coming. So this PC came yesterday and the monitor I knew it was supposed to come. It was coming from Amazon. The PC was coming from CyberPower from the UPS. But I believe there's another thing coming. And that's going to be today, maybe. Because right now I have no idea what to do. Like, I don't know how to take this out of there. Like, do I need tools? It's supposed to be built, so I don't really know. Maybe I can't totally do this yet. Like, there's no manual, there's nothing. I don't know what to do. I think there's another package coming now. That makes sense, though. And this says there's like a key, like everything, it says include inside. Well, there's literally not something else. Like, there's something out, there's something missing. There's a box missing. So, I'm gonna hope that there's another box coming. And I hope it didn't get put in the... No, I think there's another thing coming. So, yeah, I actually don't think I can do this. I will finish unboxing some of the other stuff, but for now, I literally had a panic attack. So I'm like, oh my god, like everything is missing. Yeah, so we had to wait. And I was so excited. And I wanted to film this today. But it's supposed to come, it says by 7 o'clock tonight. So who knows. I'm going to try to set up the monitor now. So I opened that up. This should be a little more straightforward. It has everything. So we're gonna figure that out. I'm so disappointed. Oh my god. That's so weird that like, why didn't the rest of it come? You'll see a part 2 of this. So everything will be different. I'll have different clothes on and stuff probably. Yeah, what a letdown. Okay guys, it is literally like the next 2 days later. So on Friday, so it did come in 2 packages. So I had to wait. They brought another box. It was like, it wasn't even taped closed. And this had like all the wires and cables that I needed. So this is what I bought. So basically what I did, like I tried to use as many MSI parts as I could. So like the MSI is like the main motherboard of this computer. I honestly, like if you know anything about computers, there you go. I have an i7 processor, an Intel. It's 32 RAM, right? Is that it? I got 32. 16 gigabyte memory, but it's like times 2. So there's 2 16 gigabytes of memory. So that's, yeah, 32. CyberPower, MasterLiquid Lite, water coolant. I don't know. Hopefully I have enough fans and stuff. Definitely tons of like gaming stuff. There, I know I got something that is like a headset and a wired mic. Okay, good. So the other thing that I forgot is that I'm probably going to, oh, and 2 terabytes of storage. And I got something that's like a 700 power, 720 power, I don't know. Something like that. Graphics card. All right, so we're gonna try to turn this on now. And this is the keyboard that I got. Corsair. And then I got this mouse. And I didn't realize it was wired, but of course, right? Like, it's a gaming mouse. So I'm in Logitech, like my brother said, that's a good brand. This is the headset I have, and thank God it has a microphone, but I just realized that the monitor I have doesn't have a webcam. So I'm gonna have to buy one if I wanna be like on camera as well as the screen streaming. I don't know, but we're gonna try to plug this in and just see what happens. And if this blows up, I'm gonna cry. So I'm gonna set you down here for now. So this wire is from the, see, I'm not sure. Like the desk is a major, I need a desk. And so I did find one. Of course, I'm not sure, should I get the white or the black? I think I told you I found one. Let me know, should I get all black and have this like blend in with the desk? Or of course, I love white things. I have an ugly, cheap black desk right now, but it's like if I had white, this would be like stark standing out. And it's like, that's not my aesthetic that I want, my beachy aesthetic. So like, I don't know, like, do I get a black, oh my gosh, it beeped. Do I get a black, oh my gosh, it's turning on. Ooh, did you see that? It turned on. And it said Ultra Gear. I honestly don't know what I'm doing. Maybe I should find the papers for this too. HDMI 1. All right, all right, because it's not going to start until I have something that's connected. Click OK to automatically switch to display port mode. No signal. Please check your connection. Okay, what does that mean? I'm going to power saving mode. Where are the buttons? I don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea. Let me just try to plug in the computer. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing. This is insane. I'm not even sure this is where I want the computer plugged in, because I'm gonna have wires everywhere. But again, I guess for right now. Oh my gosh. All right. And then it's like, what? Oh yeah, see, that's gonna be weird. Yeah, I may need the computer on that side. Well, for right now, I'm gonna leave it there. That's plugged in. All right, we're gonna turn this on now. I literally saw a power button. I think it's over there. This setup is really shitty. This is just until I get the desk. All right, excuse me. Oh my gosh. Wow, it's beautiful. That took way too long for me to figure out. Yeah, so this is lighting up. I don't know, I feel like, wow, that took forever to like, that's so cool. That's beautiful. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, I'm filming on the phone. I'm filming with this, and I have my ring light. I don't know what's going on. This is such a shitty like setup. This has to go over there. I need the desk. That's now like $300. Or it could be more than that if I get the black one. So you guys really have to help me with that. All right, we're waiting. Everything's lighting up, so that means everything's plugged into the right thing. Oh gosh. And it's so weird, like the last time I've used a desktop, I don't know, like so many years ago. And like I'm so used to Macs. All right, I'm not sure. This camera is just gonna be, we'll do this so you guys don't see everything. I'm gonna sit here if I can. Oh, there's like a, okay. Woo. But this is bright. Okay, United States. Yes. Is this the right keyboard layout? United States. Want a second keyboard layout? Skip. Your PC will restart before you continue. Well, that's great. So you guys saw that. I think it took me forever to figure out how to turn it on. Oh my god, this is such a learning curve. People are like, oh, Macs are a learning curve. But now that I've had Macs for so long, and this is like not even a laptop. Like I'm I am laptop queen. Like, that's all I use. And now, wow, I mean, this is definitely for gaming. And that's why, like, I wanted to just have this here. Like, I can't move it. So, like, if I want to game, I have to be this sitting here in front of the desktop. So that's where I want to make it like an intentional hobby, an intentional activity where it's away from anything else. Like, I don't plan on going on the internet with this thing. Like, maybe you have to like get like a, you know, Steam or to stream and like that stuff, but it's going to be a whole different world because every piece of technology is like a little portal into a different world. All right, let's see. Licensing agreement, accept, obviously, because we didn't. Let's name the device. Sunshine Streams, that's it. Oh my gosh, a real keyboard is so weird. Sunshine Streams, good, great. You don't even like have to do that, but like it's important, so. I don't know where to look now, I have 2 cameras here. Could I like stream like this? But then, I don't know, that might be a little weird. This camera's probably gonna die soon, so I'm gonna have to like, obviously I'm gonna have to like film more of this when I understand what I'm doing. But at least you guys saw how absolutely difficult this was to set it up. I mean, I think once I was talking to my brother, I was like, I don't know, should they use this cable? Like, all the cables work. So it's like, which one should you use though? He's like, use the bigger DisplayPort cable to connect this display to the computer. Oh my gosh, this screen is so bright right now. And this keyboard is like wild. I love the colors, that's very cool. And how beautiful the actual PC is. Like, I want people to see that, so that's my custom work. I just picked random things and put it together. Unlock your Microsoft experience. Sign in with your Microsoft account and create the experience you want. Oh man, what if I don't have a Microsoft account? It's time to make a new one. I'm gonna get paper because I don't know. I'm gonna have to remember passwords, aren't I? Oh yeah, I'm bringing liquids over here, but like I need a drink or I'm gonna pass out. Create one. Okay. Create one. I'm gonna use my Rebecca Lynn stuff. I do have a Microsoft account, but like not for this stuff. My birthday is June 6th. I don't want information and tips. Maybe you don't actually need to make the account right now, but that's what we're doing. Now this mouse pad is so cool, it's huge. All right, it's good. Hi Rebecca, let's bring your folders, apps, and credentials over from another PC. That's all right, we're setting up a new thing. There's nothing here. Set up a new PC, it's new, all new, nothing's here. Create a pin. Let's customize. Oh my gosh, this screen is so bright right now, I'm dying. Let's customize. Select all the ways you plan to use your device. Gaming, that's basically it, just gaming. Pretty sure that's it. Use your Android phone from your PC. Oh, I skip. I don't have an Android. Always have access to your recent data. I love how beautiful everything is. And everything, I haven't taken any of the plastic stuff off anything yet. I just hope that. Now, if you guys have recommendations now after the fact, because I still have like a week to bring things back, like the Amazon stuff, a better mouse, or you say something about a keyboard, let me know, because I have no idea what I'm doing. So this is a whole new journey. And that's why, if you guys think I should make a new YouTube channel, or I should just put this on my normal one, since I don't really have, I don't know what's going on. I have like 500 subscribers. So I might just, why make a new one? And that's just stressful. So I might just put the gaming on there too. If you don't want to watch those videos, don't. But I have too many accounts everywhere, and this is it. So, almost there. All right, we'll finish this, and then we'll wrap. Oh my gosh, wow. You know what I need to do? I need to turn the brightness down on this. Like my eyes. I'm used to like dark screen, like, and this mouse is moving too fast. Like I don't know where anything is either. What is this? I don't know. Cam Studio. What? Oh, camo? What is this? Wait, do I have a webcam? What are we doing? I see why people like the dark mode. Nice. Oh my goodness. So, yeah, so none of this is selected, right? Because you can't actually use it without. All right. So right now we can't really use this. Why are the X's on the opposite side? Or is that how they always were? All right, well, that's interesting. What I'm gonna do, oh man, that's wild because all the things are like on the right side instead of the left. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so used to that. All right, I need to turn the brightness down on this. My eyes. Where are these things? I don't know what I'm doing. What is this? File Explorer, Microsoft Store. Desktop, Word tools, this PC, settings, there we go, that's what we needed. All right, this display is so bright right now. Scale, display, I don't know, I just need display orientation, scale, HDR. No, I just need to turn the brightness down. Do you think there's brightness things, or this brightness? All right, guys, help me figure out how to turn the brightness down. I'll do more later. All right, guys, I'm turning this off now. We got it set up. It's all ready to go. Yeah, I'm gonna unplug these things for now. It gets me freaked out. So there we go. Thanks for joining.